In this video, we're going to be looking at my most profitable trading strategy, and not only that, we're not only going to be backtesting it, but we're going to be also proving on live markets that this is my most profitable trading strategy. So without further ado, let's get over to the charts where I'm going to go through today's trading plan. Okay, let's start by adding our indicators. The first indicator we're going to be adding is the T3 by David Tech, just here. To find that indicator, just go over to TradingView and search in the indicators. You will need to go to the David Tech website. All of the indicators are free of charge and open source. Just go to davidtech.com, click on free indicators up there, and you'll be able to find a huge list of all of my free indicators. And you can also get the strategies for free as well by clicking on this green banner on the homepage. Okay, back to the chart. We have the T3 on our chart. As you can see, this is going to be giving us our trend direction, because we of course are using our traders plan here to take all of our trades. We're going to have one indicator for trend direction called the baseline. That's going to tell us whether we should be going long or short. We're then going to have two confirmation indicators giving us that actual entry, and then we will have a volume and volatility indicator to make sure that there is enough movement in the market. We will then set a stop loss to another indicator and know in advance our take profits, normally using risk to reward. Okay, so let's go over to the T3. We're going to set it to 100 as a length, giving us a longer term trend direction. We're going to click on that, and that's going to give us this. Now the T3 is absolutely brilliant at detecting trend direction. When the T3 turns green and price is above it, we're looking for longs. And when price is below and it is red, we're actually looking for shorts. Now, of course, one indicator is not going to give us the best entries. We're going to add a couple of other indicators to confirm those entries. The next indicator we're going to be adding is called the Fat Fingers Study by Wilson Forth. I'm going to click on that and add it to our chart as well. As you can see, this indicator adds labels to our charts where there are big candles with big volume. This indicates that there's potentially a trend reversal, and this is where we're going to be looking to take our entries for longs or shorts. So the next indicator that we're going to be adding is our second confirmation indicator. It's the Trendo, and is probably the most profitable indicator I've found in a long time. It's Trendo by David Tech. Like I said earlier, free of charge. Just go to the David Tech website and you can download it free of charge. We click on it to add it to our charts. And as you can see, it looks very much like an RSI with Bollinger Bands. For the entries, we're looking for the Trendo to be green for longs and red for shorts. So our entries would look a little bit like this. Price is above the T3 and the T3 is green. We have an alert from the Fat Fingers Study indicator telling us that there's a lot of movement in the market. And then we have our Trendo going green as well. As you can see, we have an absolutely brilliant entry just here, confirmed by all of the indicators. Now we will be adding a volatility indicator as well. That volatility indicator is the ADX, and this indicator just tells us whether or not there's enough movement in the market. Now I've added this white line here at the 20 mark. Now all we're looking for is for the ADX to be above that 20 line to suggest that there is enough movement in the market and we are in a trending market. So as you can see, all of our indicators are lining up. Our entry is valid. This is where we now go and set our stop loss to the ATR bands. Now the ATR bands are absolutely brilliant for setting our stop loss, as they tell us how much movement is in the market at the moment. So we're going to set our stop loss to the ATR bands just like this, and we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 1.6. Boom, that would have been an absolutely lovely win. As you can see, I've perfectly cherry picked that entry. So it looks pretty simple as a strategy. Yeah, it has been one of the most profitable trading strategies that I've had for a long while. I've been trading this for around a year, and many members of my community have been using it successfully as well. Of course, I'm going to prove to you by the end of this video by backtesting this strategy and also forward testing it on live markets on multiple coin pairs, and it also works on multiple time frames ranging from 15 minutes to 4 hours. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name's David. Welcome to my channel where we backtest profitable trading strategies on TradingView. And don't forget, you can get access free of charge to all of the David Tech bots by going over to davidtech.com. Not only can you find all of the indicators for free and open source up the top there, You can get access to all of the amazing setups from the David Tech community. There's over 700 strategies live trading. You can get access to all of that by simply clicking on this green banner on davidtech.com's website, and you get access to everything for free. Right, okay, I'm going to go away and back test this trading strategy. I'll be back in a couple of seconds. It'll give you a couple of seconds to give the video a good old like if you're enjoying the content, and don't forget to subscribe. I do videos every Monday and Thursday about profitable trading strategies. Right, let's get back to backtesting.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Okay guys, the backtesting results are in. Drumroll please. Boom! Right, as you can see, the trading strategy looks pretty good. I'm on the 2-hour time frame for this backtest. We have 863% net profit, 329 closed trades, an amazing 58% win rate, a profit factor of 1.5, a max drawdown slightly high at 24%, but we can reduce leverage, which would also reduce our max drawdown. Okay, so as you can see, the months look pretty good over here, and over on the backtesting results table, we have a max wins in a row of 9, max losses in a row of 6. We have, as I said earlier, a almost 60% win rate, and yeah, you can see we have total wins of 191 and a total losses of 138. Right, let's go over to the David Tech website. We're going to go through the live trading results and some other coin pairs as well. Okay, so here we are on the David Tech website, where we have a trading journal of that strategy that I just showed you. As you can see, we can see all of the stats for the backtesting results. But not only that, we also have the actual live trades. So if we look at our equity curve here, we can see that we actually backtested all the way up to here, and the live trades is where the chart starts going pink. So on live tradings, it is performing extremely well as well. It's not just an overfitted backtest result. In the past 7, 30 and 90 days, we are profitable. We have taken 64 trades since we put this into incubation, so live trading in January, and our win rate on live trading has stayed around the same sort of number. We were at 58 on backtesting. We're currently at 56.25, so that is completely acceptable. Looking at the live trades popping off here, it looks absolutely brilliant. I'm very proud of this strategy. Now let's have a look at a couple of other coin pairs. This one, as you can see, it is doing very well on as well, currently in a bit of a sideways movement here, but we're looking pretty good as well. Live trading looks just as good as well. We have some very good results after that slight drawdown over here. We have some very good results in the last 30 days as well. This one has been live trading since February and has taken 81 trades, which is great. Okay, very quickly, I'm going to show you a couple of other coin pairs as well. Same strategy. This one is on looking great as well, not as good as the other ones. And then we have finally, which looks pretty good as well. If we go over to live trading, we have been live trading since May and we've had 73 trades. The backtesting and forward testing results look absolutely amazing. The actual equity curve looks great as well. We've stopped backtesting on this day and started live trading here. And as you can see, we are doing absolutely brilliant on that equity curve as well. So I'm very, very happy and proud of this strategy and what the community has managed to build. This is, like I said, one of my most profitable trading strategies, and I hope it will continue in the future. Anyway, guys, that's all from me. I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. Don't forget, you can get everything for free on the David Tech website. Open source indicators, free bots, and everything else that you could desire on the website. I'd love to meet you inside our Discord community as well. Without further ado, guys, take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I will see you on Thursday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.